this is Sky and family. Today we are at a hotel in San Antonio because today I just did modeling and we don't want to drive like 2 hours back home. So we're staying in a hotel for today. I'll give you a room tour of our hotel.
What's the name of the hotel?
The name of the hotel, MARRIOTT River Center. We'll give you a room tour. So this is where you put your key here and it will scan so you could open the door. Now get inside. This is where you lock it. You lock, unlock. And this is the sink. There's a light right here. This is chargers, light, and this is cups, tissues, and the tissue box. And if you need a new one, just ask somebody. And the water, and soap, body lotion, and towels.
Hand towels.
And another light.
That's like in the bathroom.
The bathroom. And here are the towels.
Extra towels.
Big towels, medium towels, baby towels, and extra toilet paper.
Okay.
And here's a trash.
There's a trash.
And this is the closet. You put stuff here. This is
Safe.
a safe. And this is where you put
Put your
clothes.
luggage. There's a
There's
plancha,
fingers,
an iron,
plancha,
hair dryer, ironing board, hangers.
mirrors.
There's a mirror right there. Look at mine. Jeez. Oh, that's so good.
Here is the bathroom. This is the toilet. And this is how you flush stuff.
If you wanna pee, and the other one is for the poop.
And this is the shower.
The shower right
You
there.
can take it
Shower
out.
right there.
You can take it out. There's a
And
place to
towel.
put towel. Another place to put towel. This is body wash,
Body
shampoo,
wash.
conditioner. And this is where you put your
So
personal stuff.
yeah, there's a tub right there.
And next we have the light. You can turn that light up and down.
Light right here.
And this is the bed.
Hi. Hi, Daddy.
This is the remote.
Remote for the TV. So we have two queen beds right there. There's Daddy here and Mommy's bed, and that's
And
Sky
that's
and Dewey.
And this is the table. You can put your stuff. And here, this is where this.
There's a fridge right. It's a little tiny,
The
tiny
fridge.
Yeah.
Little tiny. You could use this to hold stuff. And this is. You
Okay, just put it down here. If you can adjust it, if you want to put something there. Okay. And that's just the drawers.
Drawer.
Empty drawers.
Empty drawers.
And what is this here?
You did.
Ah, it's a coffee maker.
Coffee makers.
And cups right there, yes. Here's our TV. Right there. There's a chair. There's a chair for you to sit. And I love this backdrop right there. What do you call this? A backdrop. There's another chair right there. And here's the side lamp, phone, the alarm clock. Oh my god, oh, that's hard. There's a Bible, Book of Mormon in the Bible. That's cool. I like, that's a unique kind of, unique style of a side table. It's a round one. And here's Sky here, and Dewey. And there's another side table and the lamp right there. And okay, Here's the city view right there.
And here is me opening the thing.
Scissors there. Gym here in Marriott. Just looking around. But Daddy, we're gonna do exercise tomorrow. Is this not a mirror? The sky. And that's Daddy right there. 3, 2, 1.
Wait.
You wanna go? You wanna go in the pool too?
I'm gonna do a sit-up.
Okay, you do it.
Oh no, this is too easy. It needs to be like this.
TV right here.
1, 2.
3.
So this is their pool area right there, which is connected outside.
And Daddy's gonna go outside to look at the pool outside.
Cookies. And this one right here.
Nutella.
Nutella. You have all the snacks right here. All the drinks. Everything. It's kind of like a little store right here. What are this? Just the snacks. Just the snacks kind. Yeah, snacks everywhere. What's this? Cultura campaign. Oh, I thought it's a Filipino kind.
Now we're gonna eat our breakfast. And right here is my favorite scrambled eggs. So delicious. So I'm putting scrambled eggs on my plate. And it's taking me a long time. And now the next thing I'm gonna get in. Ooh, bacon. I love bacon. So Daddy's getting bacon and Mommy's getting some.
You don't want to?
Showing us some the French fries, the waffles.
Right?
There's a lot of waffles. So I'm gonna get a waffle with scrambled eggs. And they also have some of syrup. Ba 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 ba. Syrup.
That's enough?
So delicious. And look, now since I'm done getting syrup, let's see what's in this. Oatmeal. And over here are some other stuff that you could add to your food. And here are some healthy foods. I'm getting a banana. There's all types of stuff. And also they have some other good food. They got fruits like watermelon, strawberries, blueberries, and now we're looking at the cereal section, and now we've moved on to the bread section, and this is where all the type of breads are. There's a croissant, a bagel, there's a ride, a cool and pretty ride in the princess carriage, and now we are getting some sweets before, so we could have energy for the rest of the time. There's apples that have different toppings, and there's donuts, and there's also chocolate, fudge, and other stuff.
I'll try that.
And look at all of that. It looks so delicious with all the chocolate. Chocolate. Everything is chocolate. You could buy any one you want. And they're looking so delicious. If you could see, some has lots of toppings, some have little toppings. And also, there's also some chocolates that you could try. Some mini chocolates. Wow! So delicious. It's making me hungry. Look at all that. Sugar factory! So we're gonna have a breakfast, and breakfast is gonna be so cool. So now it got sugar, a duck on it. So the Dewey is ordering food at the sugar factory for some breakfast. And I can't wait to start eating. And look at all those flowers. The flowers are so beautiful. And now we're gonna take our seat and look at all this. Flowers up on the chandelier. And I can't wait to get some food. Wow, so pretty. And now look at our tissues. It's all pink, and there's different colors going everywhere with that thing on the flowers. And now this is my drink with deliciousness. Whoa!
It's bubbling. I gotta try some. Okay. Go try it. Go try it.
Try the other one. It's not sugary. It's not sugar. There's no alcohol in it.
No, there's no alcohol.
That's a big.
Go try it. What do you have to say?
Tastes like juice.
Tastes like juice.
Candy and juice.
Good. Wait. You just want the one. This is my cappuccino. Chocolate cappuccino. This is my salmon salad. This is an ice cream, a lollipop. What is it?
Drink, candy drink, and
I got a waffle,
the
chocolate
waffle,
waffle.
Nutella. There's a Nutella and different types of sweets, and there was a strawberry that came with it, but then I ate it right here.
And Daddy has the chicken waffles.
This is my unicorn drink, and it tastes so
Sugar rush.
delicious with
Sugar
all
rush.
those
And right now I'm
rainbows
gonna have a sugar rush.
and other stuff
I got a
with
sugar rush.
hot cocoa. Bye! Thanks for watching, Sky and Family!